welcome to Aunt Rosie's Topological Bake Shop. So today we're going to be baking non-quotient 198,882 dimensional donut, or what we call the monster donut. So here's the following ingredients you'll be needing for this recipe. Alright, so let's get to baking. So we're here at our baker, which is our paper. What you're first gonna need, of course, you're gonna need your paper and your pen or your pencil. So first step is you're gonna grab your S1 or your circles, and you're gonna combine all of them into this product. Which is just S1 cross itself 198,882 times. So that is the donut itself. So here's a visualization of your S1, and this is the product. Well, at least just a three-dimensional cross section of it at least. Okay, so what you're gonna need to do next is define your product topology. So our product topology, which is tau times, is defined to be the product I equals 1 to 19882 of open sets Vi, such that Vi is open in the original topology of S1. And we are assuming, of course, that the topology of S1 is the Euclidean topology, or the usual indiscrete topology, not the discrete topology, because the discrete topology is not good and will not give you as much flavor as your indiscrete topology. Okay, so the last step is to equip this entire product. So we will denote this product via S to the M, capital M for monster group, because this donut can be represented, or at least its symmetries, and as such all its flavor can be described via the monster group. So what we do next, or the last step in this recipe, is to equip our SM with our topology, and you're done. So some quick facts about this recipe is that it's first homotopy group. So the first homotopy group of SM equipped with this topology, so because this is a topological space after all, is equal to the free group on M generators. So A1 up to AM, which is F of A1 up to AM, capital M. And this group is non-abelian. And then its abelianization, which is its first homology group, is the same group, but it's abelian now. So the free abelian group on M generators. So we can experience M different flavors, or 198,882 different dimensions of flavors. So this is just something that's isomorphic to Z to the M, or Z to the 198,882. So it is a fact that this exists in R. So it's a now, this is not the entire donut itself. In fact, we will not be able to perceive the actual donut itself because we're only three-dimensional beings. The actual donut itself can be perceived in R 198,883. And so that ends this recipe. Hope you enjoy and have a great day.